Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a Glowforge Premium software new service that they installed here for anybody who's on Glowforge Premium. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of this, but this one's actually pretty useful and it's really cool. It's a really easy way to add patterns to your designs here. They call it pattern line. It's this little, like, it looks like almost like a flower or a pinwheel here. What you're going to do is you'll select the line that you want to turn into a pattern. So for this example, I'm going to do this inside circle and then just leave the outside circle a regular cut line. So we're going to go ahead and click this pattern line, and then as you can see, you can choose from the list here. You can do like repeating shapes, a seamless pattern, stitching holes for like leather, perforated line if you want that, or the hold in tabs, so if you wanted to hold the cut inside but have a tab that just breaks off, that's what that's for. So I'll just do a real quick rundown to show you what happens with all of these. So we're going to start with repeating shapes here, and we're going to go ahead and just do let's just do like this little thing right here, and we're going to leave it all default. You can decide whether you want to do rotation or gap. Nothing's going to change until you hit create pattern. So I'm going to hit create pattern. As you can see, that line turned into all of these little symbols that I selected here. Now let's say you don't like the symbols this way, you can actually change the rotation. So if I change that a little bit, you can see that the rotation of it changed. And you can change anything you want here. I'm going to just set this back to default for now. And then I'll show you like seamless pattern here. So we can select a seamless pattern. That is going to process here. It might take a little bit. And as you can see, the seamless pattern is all connected. So it'll go all the way around. You have a huge list to choose from here. It'll go all the way around. You can choose from anything there in a seamless pattern. And then the stitching holes is basically just holes for leather cutout. So if you want to stitch your leather in and out, it automatically creates stitching holes for you, and that's basically just tiny little cut holes, as you can see here. And then you can change like the hole size, the spacing, offset, so whatever you want. So this feature is really useful. Perforated line, that's pretty much where it's just a bunch of dashes. If you want dashes, I see a lot of people who like those. And then the last one is that hold-in tabs. So the hold-in tabs is basically tiny little tabs. It's probably really hard to see on here, but there's tiny little tabs that will hold the inside piece in. And then you just break that out afterwards. So if you want to create like those little greeting cards, you can do that. Let's see what happens if we crank up the tabs here, if you can see them a little bit bigger. So I think there's one like right there. You can barely see it, but it's right there is one. And then that just holds that inside tab in there. So as you can see, there's all sorts of different uses for this. And then I created a little square here too, just to show you can do it on squares or different styles as well. So let's just say on the square we want to do some diamonds all the way around. We'll go ahead and click create pattern, and there you go. It is now diamonds. You can also do this with like lines. Let's create a line here, and let's say we want to just separate the center here. We'll create a new pattern, and this time we'll just do like spades. Create that pattern, and there you go. You can see it turned it into spades, and then you can change like the shape size. We can crank that down a little bit. It'll add more in there, or you can crank it way up, and then it'll probably only be one. Oh no, it's still three. Just makes it larger there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to show you guys that. That is an actual really cool, useful feature that you probably won't get in your vector programs there unless you have like a third-party generator that can do it. So that's something that I wanted to show you guys. It looks like you can also flip this too if you want to. Not sure how well that works. There it goes. Yep. So you can flip that however you want. So it has all sorts of cool features in there. I recommend that you check this out here. And then if you've already missed the other videos we did, there is a puzzle and stamp maker too. So those are kind of cool little add-on features that they're adding in here. But other than that, that's been this whole video. I hope this helps you out. I hope this is a cool new feature that you guys can play around with. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.